Okay, let's solve more segments. In our first one, we have test data 4 and 6. Enter num1, which is 4. Enter num2, which is 6. If num1, which is 4, is bigger than num2, which is 6, is this true? This is false. So we are not going to use this step. We are going to go for else. Printing num2. Num2 is 6. And that's your answer. This one, get used to the new format. This is, you can get it in any high-level format, high-level language format. This is our variables are called temp and k, and they are of integer type, meaning there is no remainder. Temp is 3, k is 3. Temp now becomes temp times k. Substitution. 3 times 3 gives me 9. The new temp is now the previous temp, which is 9 minus 4. Gives me 5. Write line. Line meaning in the next line you write the value in temp. So temp equals 5. Two variables. Variables are 2, temp and k. They are both of type integer. K is 5, temp is 23. The new temp is previous temp mod k. 23 mod 5. 23 mod 5. 5 goes into 23 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. 23 minus 20 gives you 3. This is your remainder. And mod only works with the remainder. So the new temp is now 3. In the next line, write line. New temp is 3. Here we have two variables, k and temp, both of type integer. Temp is 17, k is 15. If k is bigger than temp, 15 bigger than 17, this is false. So we skip this step, we go to else. So the new temp is now k minus temp. K is 15 minus 17 gives you negative 2. In the next line, they want the answer for temp. Here we have a for do loop, 3 variables. K is 13, M is 12. For temp, 1 to k. K, what is the value for k? 3. So for temp, 1, 2, 3. Because 1 to k. 3 is, k is 3. What must happen for 1 to k? M minus 4. M is currently 12. 12 minus 4, 8. Minus 4 is 4. Minus 4 is 0. And they want temp. Here we can see M is now 0 and temp is now 3. And they want temp. So your answer will be temp equals 3. Another for do, 3 variables of type integer. K is 11, temp is 10. Loop counter is M. Ten to k. 10, what's the value of k? 11. So this loop will just run twice. It'll work with temp. Temp is currently 10. For the first time, temp times M. 10 times 10 is 100. I will let you calculate this one on your own. 100 times 11 gives you what? So the new value for M is 11. The new value for temp is what? And they want you to output temp. Easy calculation. Just use your calculator. I want you to solve this one on your own. In the next video, I will give you the answers to this one. Pause your video and copy down the segment and try it on your own. There's another one you can try. Pause your video. And the last one, just remember a real has a decimal. Find the answers in the next video. Enjoy.